Hi everyone, this is Civil Engineering Tutorials. In my previous video, I have created floor plan of market complex soft drawing in AutoCAD. Now in this video, I will show you multi-story front elevation of market complex soft drawing in AutoCAD. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So let's get started. So I have already created the ground floor plan, first floor plan and second floor plan. In this video, I will show you the front elevation. So these are the plans which I have already created. This is the ground floor plan, this is the first floor plan, and this is the second floor plan. Now I'll create the multi-story front elevation. Okay. So this is the cantilever beam. Now I'll turn off this beam layer because on floor plan we don't require cantilever beams or beams. So turn off this layer. Now I'll use line command. So shortcut key of line command is L. So L, enter. Now specify first point here and second point here. Now consider this line as ground level, GL. Now ground level to plinth level height, here I am taking 2 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Now select this line and click on upward direction. Now this is GL ground level and this is plinth level PL. Okay, so ground level to plinth level height is 2 feet and 6 inch. Now come to this plan. Now front elevation, take Excel. Excel means construction line, enter. Now we need vertical lines, so press V for vertical line. Now in front elevation we can see these columns, all these columns. Okay, so click here, click on this side, click on this side, click on this side of pillar, click on this side of pillar. Now click here, again click here. Now click here on this side, click here on this side. Now click here and click here. Now finally click here and click on this side of pillar. Alright. So we can see all these pillars. Now I'll create the plinth projection, that is 6 inch. So give offset distance 6 inch. Now select this line, click to this side. Select this line and click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. So TR, enter. Now select all the lines. Now trim here, trim here, trim all these lines. Also trim all these extra lines. Trim this line. Alright. Now this is the ground level, this is plinth level, GL and PL. Now this is the plinth projection, that is 6 inch. Go to dimension linear. Here to here, this is 6 inch plinth projection. Also on this side, here to here, 6 inch plinth projection. Okay. Now this is 2 feet and 6 inch ground level to plinth level height. Alright. Now I'll create roof slab. Okay. So for roof slab, I'm taking building height 10 feet and 6 inch from plinth level. So give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Now select this plinth level line, select this line and click on upward direction. Select and click. Now I'll create the roof slab thickness, that is 4 inch. So give offset again, give offset distance 4 inch. Now select this line and click. Now dimension linear. Now here to here, this is 10 feet and 6 inch building height. This is the roof slab and roof slab thickness is 4 inch. Okay. Now this is roof slab projection. This is 6 inch roof slab projection. Okay. Now close both sides. Close this side and close this side. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim, select this line and trim all the extra lines. Now one more thing I want to say here. If you don't want to show the roof slab projection, this is the roof slab projection, 6 inch roof slab projection. So if you don't want to show the roof slab projection, then you can omit this step, because building can also be constructed without showing the roof slab projection. Okay, this is 6-inch roof slab projection. So building can also be constructed without showing the roof slab projection. So if you don't want to show the roof slab projection, you can omit this step. Alright. Okay. Now I'll create lintel slab, that is 7 feet from plinth level. Okay. So give offset distance 7 feet. Now select this line and click on upward direction. Now lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. Again give offset distance 3 inch. Now select this line, click on upward direction. Okay, this is lintel slab. Now come to this plan. Now we can see here, we can see this side wall. Okay, now this side wall is, we can't see because here the columns are in front of all these walls. Okay, so we can see this side wall. So XL, V for vertical. So click here, we can see this wall. Now all these walls are behind all columns. Now click here, this is the door, shutter door. Click here and click here. We can see all these doors. Now this is the staircase. We can see the staircase, this door and this door. I am showing you step by step, so it will be easy to understand. Okay, we can see all the steps also. On plan we are seeing the treads, and on front elevation we can see the rides. Okay, alright. Now trim, select this line and select this line. Now trim here and trim here. This is the wall. Okay, now I'll create this door. Okay, all the doors I need to create. So door layer, so this is the reference. So shutter door size is 6 feet length into 7 feet height. Okay, 6 feet length into 7 feet height. So take a rectangle. This is 6 feet and this is 7 feet. So you can simply create a rectangle here. REC, enter. Now specify first point here. Right click, go to dimensions. Now specify length 6 feet, enter. Now specify the height 7 feet, enter. Now this is the door is created. Okay, door is created. Or you can simply draw a rectangle, because REC, enter, specify first point here and second point here. Okay, this is the door. Okay, alright, now delete these two lines. Now trim this line. Okay, now give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, click here. Okay, so this is the door is created. Now I'll hash this, H, enter. Okay, change the scale to 15. At pick point, click inside, enter. Okay, now door is created. Now all these doors are of same size, so I'll copy this door. Go to dimension, linear. See, this is 6 feet and this is 7 feet height. Okay, This is also 6 feet length and 7 feet height, and this last door also 6 feet length into 7 feet height. So copy this door, select, copy. Now specify base point here. This is the base point. Select, copy. This is the base point. Make a top. Now paste here. Click here. Again click here and click here. Alright. Delete these two lines. See, this is the door. Delete these two lines. Okay. Now this is the another door. So delete these two lines also. Alright. And this is the shutter door last. So delete these two lines. So all the doors are created. These are the shutter doors, 6 feet length into 7 feet height. So this is the wall. Okay. Now these walls we can't see because in front of these walls pillars are. You can see the pillars. Okay. Now I'll create the staircase. Okay. We can see the staircase. So these are the on plan. Trim all the extra lines. On plan we can see the treads, and on elevation we can see the rises. Okay. So here we can see only rises. We can't see treads on front elevation. Okay. On plan means from top view we can see the treads. Okay. So this is the lintel slab. Don't require lintel slab anymore. So delete this. So on plan means from top view we can see the treads, but front elevation we can see only rises. So click here and click here. Okay. Now trim this line and this line. Okay. Now we can see all these rises of these steps here, ground level to plinth level height. So Excel V. Now click here on this side, click here on this side. Here also we can see the rises only. Okay. So trim all the extra lines. Okay. Now here also we can see the rises. Okay, here these are the treads, but on front elevation we can see the rises. From ground level to plinth level height we can see the rises on front elevation also. Okay, these are the treads. So these are the treads. Go to linear. This is 9-inch. This is also 9-inch treads. Okay, so 4 numbers of 9-inch treads on plan. Okay, so on elevation rises will be 5 numbers of 6-inch rises. Okay, so on plan 4 numbers of 9-inch treads. Okay, so on plan on elevation 5 numbers of rises. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 numbers of 9-inch treads. So on rises 5 numbers of 6-inch rises. So give offset distance 6-inch. Select this line, click, again click, again click, and again click. So these are the rises created. Trim all the extra lines. So number of tread plus 1 is equal to number of riser. Okay. Now see, 1 2 3 4 5 numbers of risers are created here. But here 1 2 3, 4. 4 numbers of threads. 4 numbers of threads on plan. So, on front elevation, rises will be 5 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This calculation I'll show you in my next video. How to calculate number of rise and number of threads. I'll show in my next video. So this is 9-inch thread and on front elevation 6-inch riser. Okay, this is 6-inch riser and 5 numbers of risers. Okay, now come to the staircase. Now here, number of threads on one flight 10 numbers. Okay, linear. Here this is 9-inch thread. Okay, 9-inch thread. So number of threads on one flight 10 numbers. So number of rise on one flight, number of thread plus 1. So 11 numbers of rise on front elevation we need to create. Alright, and riser height is 6 inch. Okay, so I'll show you this calculation, how to calculate number of rise and number of thread. I'll show in my next video. Now these are the threads on plan. So I need to create riser here because on front elevation we can see the risers. On front elevation we can't see the threads, and this side we can't see, only this side risers we can see on front elevation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 1 means number of threads plus 1. We are getting number of risers. So 10 plus 1. So 11 numbers of risers we have to create here. We can see on this side 11 numbers of risers of 6 inch. Okay, 11 numbers of 6 inch riser. So give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click. Okay, TR, trim from here to here. Alright, now give offset distance 6 inch. Okay, give offset distance 6 inch. Now select this line, click here, click here, click here. We need to create 11 numbers of rise. Okay, 11 numbers of 6 inch rise. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so on front elevation we can see only risers. Always remember this. Okay, on front elevation we can't see the threads. These are the risers, 11 numbers of risers. Okay, on top view we can see the threads, and on front elevation we can see the risers. And risers height is 6 inch. Now trim this line. Okay, now extend this line towards this line. Okay, now extend these two lines towards this line. EX enter. Select this line and extend this line and this line. Also this line. Okay, now trim this line. Click here, now trim this middle line. Okay, now join this line and this line. Alright, now trim this line also. Okay, So Excel, V, click here and click here. Again click here and click here. Here, see, here to here, this side, okay, this side, we can see only this side rises. Okay, you can see these are the threads. So on front elevation we can see this side rises. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 numbers of risers. We can see only this side rises and this side we can't see. Okay, from front elevation we can't see this side rises. Okay, here to here we can see only the slope here. We can see the steps from backside slope. We can't see the risers here. Okay, alright, so hope you understand. This is the staircase. So this the staircase is created. So always remember, on front elevation we can see the risers and on top view we can see the treads. Okay, risers is 6 inch, treads are 9 inch. Now give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line, click on opposite. This is the parapet wall. Okay, again offset, give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, again click. Now extend this line. Yes, enter, select this line. Now extend this line and extend this side line. This is the parapet wall. Okay, now give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, click to this side, select this line, click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim here. Also trim here. Also trim this. Trim this. Undo this. Delete this line and delete this side line. Okay, so parapet wall is also created. Now I'll hatch this parapet wall. H enter. Box hatch. Okay, now I'll make this 25 at pick point. Click inside, enter. Okay, now by layer. Okay, so this is the parapet wall is created. Okay, change the layer. Wall layer. Okay, alright, now parapet wall is also created. Now this is the ground floor front elevation. Okay, so ground floor front elevation is created now. Excel V. See, this is the pillar. Okay, okay, this is the pillar. Now again Excel V. This pillar. See, this pillar is also created. And this pillar. This is the pillar. And this wall and this pillar. Okay, all these walls are behind pillar, all pillars. Okay, these are the pillars. Okay, now these are the doors. This is the door. This is another door. This is another door. And this is another door. This wall, this is the wall. Okay, so, and this is the staircase. These are the treads 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads, 9-inch threads, just 9-inch. Okay. So on front elevation, we need to create 6-inch, 11 numbers of risers. So here to here, this is 6-inch, and numbers of risers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now here this is ground level to plinth level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers of threads, 9-inch threads. Okay. Now here we need to create 5 numbers of 6-inch risers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this is 6-inch. Alright. Hope you understand how to create front elevation and how to create staircase on front elevation. So copy the text. This is plinth level. Copy this. This is ground level. And this is plinth level, PL. PL, plinth level, GL, ground level. Okay. Alright. So this is ground level to plinth level height staircase, steps, and this is the staircase. Hope you understand how to create staircase. You can't see this side risers on front elevation. Okay. So this is the ground floor front elevation. Okay. Now we need to create first floor and second floor front elevation. Okay. This is the ground floor front elevation. We are creating multi-story front elevation. So we need to create first floor and second floor also. So select this ground floor front elevation. Select all these lines. Okay. Select all. Select properly. We need to select first. We need a base point. Okay. Now select the ground floor front elevation. Select completely properly. Now we need to copy this. See, all are selected. Now copy. Now this is the base point. So click here. Now make ortho off. Now click here. This is first floor. Again click here. This is second floor. Okay, so this is the ground floor, this is first floor, and this is second floor. Okay. Now here, due to this parapet wall, this is the parapet wall. So due to parapet wall, we can see this much length. Okay. So create a layer, new layer, parapet wall. Color should be white color. Now select parapet wall. Change the layer. Now turn off this parapet wall layer. Also, this is the parapet wall. Okay. Now this is the parapet wall. Here turn on. See here, this is the parapet wall. Here to here, this is the parapet wall. Due to this parapet wall, we can't see this much length. On front elevation, this veranda will be the parapet wall. Okay, this veranda will be the a balcony. Okay, 6 feet wide balcony on front elevation, first floor and second floor. Sorry, first floor and second floor. The veranda will be the balcony. Okay, so due to the parapet fall here, we can't see this much length, so we need to trim this much. Trim here. Trim this line. This is the balcony parapet wall. So due to the parapet wall, we can't see this much length. Trim all this. All these features are exist, but we can't see due to the parapet wall. Okay. So trim all the extra lines. Trim all the steps. Trim this one. Okay. So we are not going to see this due to the parapet wall only. Now turn on the parapet wall. Now see. Due to the parapet wall, we can see only this much. We can't see all this due to the parapet wall. Now here also we need to do the same thing. So trim, select this line, select this line, and trim all the extra lines. Ground floor plan, the baranda on ground floor plan is changed to balcony on first floor and second floor. Okay, so the parapet wall, balcony parapet wall, due to the parapet wall we can see this much length. So we need to trim this. All these features are exist, but we can't see due to the parapet wall. Okay, now trim these steps. Here trim this line. Alright, now turn on. See, these are the parapet walls. This is the staircase. This side we're going to this side or this side. Okay, now again on this side we're going to this side and this side. These are the staircase. Hope you understand. This is the roof. Alright, so this is the ground floor front elevation, first floor front elevation, second floor front elevation. So this is the multi-story front elevation. Okay, this is the multi-story front elevation. Multi-story front elevation. Okay, so we understand how to create the multi-story front elevation. Okay, this is 6 feet wide veranda, and on first floor this veranda will be the 6 feet wide balcony. Okay, veranda with the balcony on first floor. Okay, now this front elevation is created without veranda slope. Okay, you can create veranda slope or you can omit the veranda slope also. So this is without veranda slope. Now if you want to create the veranda slope, so copy this front elevation. I'll copy this. Copy. Now this is the base point and paste here. Now on this side, on this front elevation, I'll create the veranda slope. I'll move this. Okay. Now here I'll create the veranda slope. Okay. So give offset distance 1 feet and 6 inch. Now select this line, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. Now select this side, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. Now extend. Give extend command. I'll join this line, these two lines first. Okay. Now extend. EX enter. Select this line and select this line. Now extend this side and this side. Now take line command, L enter. Now specify first point here, 6 inch. Now close this with this point. Again delete this line. Now again take line command, L enter. Specify base point here. Now 6 inch. Now join this line with this point. Now delete this line. Alright. Now trim. We need to trim this much length. Due to the slope we can't see this much length. Okay, so we need to trim all these extra lines. So TR enter, select this line and trim all this. All these features are also exist, but we can't see due to the slope. Okay, trim. Select these two lines, trim here. Trim all the extra lines. Okay, now this line. Okay, now draw a line here. Okay, now I'll hatch this. Give offset first. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line and click on upward direction. Now I'll hatch this. H enter. Now earth. Click inside, enter. Now see, slope is also created. Okay. Now I'll copy this slope to this floor and this floor. Okay. So select the slopes. Now copy. I need to copy this slope to first floor and second floor. So copy. Now this is the base point. Click here. Now click here, paste here and paste here. Now see, this is first floor and this is second floor. These are the Pacific walls and these are the baranda slopes. This is the baranda slope. Okay. So you need to trim these extra lines. Create a new layer. Slope. Color is white. Okay. Select all the baranda slopes and make it a slope layer. Now turn off the slope layer. Now we need to trim all the extra lines. Trim. Select this line and select this line and this line. Now trim. Again select this line and this line and this line. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim here. Trim this line, and this line. Trim this line. Also trim this line. We need to trim all these lines due to the baranda slope. Okay. Now to join this line. Now do same thing here. Trim here to here and here. So trim all the extra lines. Due to the baranda slope, we can't see this much length. Okay, and join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Now turn on baranda slope. See, these are the baranda slope is created. So this is multi-story front elevation without baranda slope. This is the multi-story front elevation without baranda slope, and this is multi-story front elevation with baranda slope. Okay, hope you understand how to create multi-story front elevation with baranda slope and without baranda slope, and how to create staircase and front elevation. These are the trades, and these are the risers on front elevation. and plan, these are the trades, and on elevation we can see the risers. Here these are 10 numbers of trades on plan. So on elevation we can see 11 numbers of risers. Okay, number of trade plus number of one, that is riser. Okay, these are the risers. We can't see this side risers, we can see only this side risers. Okay, this is the ground level to plinth level steps, and this is the ground, this is the baranda slope, this ground floor, first floor and second floor multi-story front elevation. So hope you like this video. Ground floor, first floor and second floor. Okay, ground floor, first floor, second floor. This is without baranda slope, and this is with baranda slope, multi-story front elevation. Now if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.